Hey, what's up? My name's Anthony Morrison, and no, I don't play the guitar. But I did just get this guitar for earning over $1 million in commissions. And what I'd like to do is show you exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you the blueprint. I'm going to show you the funnels. I'm going to show you everything, and then I'm going to give you a chance to let me just give them to you and partner with you. Look, I earned over $1 million in commissions with one single company. I got this guitar on stage in front of 4,000 or so people. It's been an awesome ride. But what I want to do is give back. I can show you how it's.
I've learned many things from this ongoing pandemic. Survival is not something to take for granted. I lost my job and had to sit home for many months without work, and I got irritated and frustrated about almost everything. Just when I was about to lose my last hope of getting work back, my friend sent me a link to a YouTube video. I didn't have anything better to do, so I opened the video. For the next few minutes, I couldn't get my eyes off the screen, and after the video, I was full of energy and hope, and the video was about Partner with Anthony and how it works. I started watching more and more videos until I couldn't help but join the program. It stated that I can get a full cash back within 30 days if it didn't work for me, and I love the confidence. Once I started the program, I was benefited with many tools up front. But for a newbie like me, it was going to be very difficult. I didn't know anything about making money online or any such program. To my surprise, it was easier than I thought. Everything seemed very possible and doable to me. I started watching program videos, and with the tools like ClickFunnels, build redirects, and email software, I started making money in no time. Amazing, right? Not just this, as Partner with Anthony gave me a referral link generated specifically for me, I started generating money and became an online business owner. It was all I dreamed for. I no longer cared about what I lost, but what I gained from Partner with Anthony, which I consider my savior. Everyone should join Partner with Anthony in order to enhance their knowledge and make money with all sorts of tools. Because here, it doesn't matter if you are a first-timer or a business owner looking for new opportunities. Here, you start at the top level and rise higher. So, I've joined Partner with Anthony. What are you waiting for? Join the most exclusive program for affiliated money marketing.